Alright, hello once again everyone. Now we're going to talk about how to create probably my favorite and a lot of people's favorite, simply because it does tend to be the easiest of the various data displays to create. And this is called a dot plot or a line plot. You may have heard them referred to as either one before. All that we really are required to do when we're creating a dot plot is simply to take the list of data points that we have and put a dot above the number line for each one of those data points. So what we'll do is we'll simply start from left to right, and we'll start. So 15 has one data point, so I'm going to put a dot above the 15. I'm going to cross that out. I'll put a dot above the 1, cross that out, above the 7, the 4, 11, 0, the 6, 2 2s. Notice now I'm stacking them one on top of the other. I have a 3, a 5, another 0, so again I'm going to stack them, another 3, one more 2, a 0, another 2, another 3, and 2 more 2s. So the really nice thing you can see about this this sort of plot is you can very easily figure out the mean. You can easily figure out the median, and you can figure out the mode. Okay, it's quite clear from looking at this line plot that the mode is going to be 2, and because each individual data point has one dot, then we can very easily calculate the median by simply starting up here, and we can even cross them out and work our way toward the middle. Okay, so by going this way, oh, I made a mistake. There we go. Okay, now I'm caught up. I can work my way toward the middle until I get to 2 as my middle number. Okay, so there's my median. And again, I can calculate my mean by just adding up the number of data points that I have. Okay, so I've got, 3 zeros plus a 1 plus 6 2s plus 3 3s, and so on until I get to 70, and then divide by how many data points I have, which is 19. Okay, so underneath of our question for calculating the median, we can once again tell the middle number is 2. The mode, like we said, that's the most obvious one, is 2. And the mean, you do again need to add up all the data points, but it's very easy to tell from looking at our model. When you add them all up, you get 70. Divide by how many data points you have, which is 19, and you will get 3.68. The range, just like the other the three measures of center, the range is also very easy to calculate. We simply go back to the plot and look at the largest number, which is 15, subtract it from the smallest number, which is 0, and we get a range of 15. And last, but probably most importantly, are the conclusions we can draw from creating a line plot like this. Is basically just trying to understand what we now can see when we look at those data plots. So again, we can see that students typically have two to three pets, and we can see that there is a wide range of the number of pets owned. All right, so now that you guys have worked through a dot plot with me, you guys can now go onto the back side and see if you can create your own.